Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, and real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 106. And if we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. That 6 means this is our 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 4 here, so 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 5 here, so this is our 3. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. And for this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.